What is this?
So start off with offset. Got offset right there, you know what I'm saying? But let's go right into it. So I'm gonna pick that one. I'm gonna go pretty quick. Just pause the videos wherever I have the positions. So yeah. So pick that skin color right there, the best one. He's a little darker than all of them, all the Migos. So we'll go to the hair. Pick that one. It's the closest we'll get. So yeah, we'll pick that one, and then black, and then we'll go to the eyebrows. Pick that one. Put that one right there. Position right there. Like I said, pause the video. Just take the stats. As long as you copy the stats, you'll get some good results. Trust me. The eyes. Pick those eyes right there. Kind of can't see them, but either way, those are the eyes he has. And then let's go straight to the nose. And then gotta pick that nose position right there. All right. Like I said, I'm going a little fast because I know it's 3 characters, but just pause the video. Pick that mouth, and then the stats right there, and then the color is right there. Pick that color, and then facial hair. I'll pick those 2 right there. Position that color. All right. So almost done here. Mole. So the mole. What I do with the moles is the closest we'll get to a tattoo, and he has a tattoo near his eyes, so I'm just gonna put that right there, and then that's it. And then we got the body. We can pick. That's your opinion how you want it, but I think he's pretty skinny. They're all pretty skinny. Glasses. Final touch. We pick those, and then there, and then that. You can make them see through. It's up to you, but he always has them super dark, so that's kind of what I went for. And then that's offset.
Fresh out the bed, can out the dead. Hop out the bed and I'm counting them faces. I jump out the whip and them bitches start fighting no 20s or 50s.